In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce store. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard because that's where the entire setup begins. Once you're logged in, head over to plugins and then select Add New Plugin. This is where you can install new functionality for your site, including the tools you need to turn a standard WordPress website into a full online store. In the search bar, type in WooCommerce. When it appears in the plugin results, click Install Now and then activate it. As soon as activation is complete, WooCommerce will usually launch its setup wizard automatically. This wizard is designed to guide you through the essential store basics, so it's a helpful place to begin rather than skipping ahead. As you move through the wizard, complete the sections for your business details, product types, and theme. This part helps WooCommerce understand what kind of store you're building and how it should be configured. Take your time here because these settings lay the foundation for the rest of your shop. Once the initial setup is done, go to Products and click Add New. This is where you'll create your first item for sale. Enter the product name and write a detailed description so customers clearly understand what they're buying. Then scroll down to the product data section to set your regular price, and if you want to run a promotion, you can also add a sale price. Next, upload high-quality product images, since visuals are one of the biggest factors in helping shoppers feel confident about purchasing. On the right-hand side, add relevant categories and tags to keep your store organized and make products easier to find. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the product live. After that, it's time to set up payments. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. From here, enable the payment methods you want to offer. Built-in options like Woo Payments can support credit cards, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, and you can also add free extensions for services like PayPal or Stripe. When prompted, click Finish Setup or Connect so you can sign into your payment account and complete the required configuration. Now move over to shipping. In WooCommerce settings, open shipping and click Add Shipping Zone. Shipping zones let you define rates based on geographic locations, which is important if your pricing changes by region. Once your zones are created, add shipping methods such as flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Then go to WooCommerce settings, open General, and check the box to enable tax rates and calculations. Finally, before promoting your store, test everything carefully to make sure the setup works correctly and customers can complete their orders without issues.